Kana! Garam garam!
Today is my last day and then I'm off for a month in that farm. Like that there are so many screens. I don't use them, but it's nice that they're there. This is the last Power BI report I'll make before going on a holiday. And by the time I come back, people will be using this thing. Fastest mode of transport in Paris. I don't have to log into my computer tomorrow and that makes me smile. I'll be in a farm chilling with the animals. Atul leaves for Deutschland today. It's quite the luxury to bike to a pizzeria and then get back to work. Uphill, I lose some steam though. Apart from setting out my out-of-office message, I have some deliverables to finish for the clients today. This way, I can leave my work computer back in Paris. It's been so long that I've taken a vacation. I'm going to go all in and chill while I'm there. I've already packed my stuff. Just need to finish off the last Power BI report and get some sleep. Tomorrow is the big day.
Start of the vlog.
And from the middle of nowhere to the side of nowhere. What does it smell like?
I don't know, I'm a city girl. I guess this is what they call fresh air?
Paris is upside down because it's not going to Paris?
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells so good. That's a city. That's the station. It's so cute. L'Euro de Bouble. Have you tried the Bleu de Verre?
Yeah.
What do you think of it?
Well, now I want to try the real thing, not what you get in the supermarket. Actually, I've changed my mind. I want to go back to Paris.
I've never done this in Paris, where the train leaves and then you cross over right there, like where the train left. So there are like 3 trains a day or something. That's the exit gate. So cute. Ron and Marika.
Yeah. Nicola is geopend. Oh. He drove to the wrong station.
Okay.
There's him. So
Okay.
he will be here any minute.
Okay. Let's go stand on the side. They have a post box. And did you notice that this cycle locking thing, the cage, is the same shape as the SNCF logo? What? It's a ghost town in here. Look, no one ever came back here after COVID shutdown.
Welcome!
Thanks for coming to pick us up. Pleased to meet you. Go grab our stuff. And you were there for 4 years?
Yeah, 4.5 years. I just came back last month.
I was surprised by the way you greeted me and my camera was not rolling.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವ್ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
He studied naturopathy in Moodabidri. Small world. That's where I'm from. I'm a Kannada boy.
I love dogs. We love them. The most intelligent dog I've ever seen.
And you have a new horse, a baby horse.
Yeah, baby horse was born 4 months ago.
Yeah, your mom said
Tu les partages avec nous, hein?
Ouais,
Ouais.
bien sûr. First task at Brenazé is to collect carrots. And we use a big fork like this guy, put him all the way in and pull them out and we have nice carrots.
What is this called in Dutch?
Karoten.
Wortel.
Wortel. Wortel! That's a Pokemon! Wortel. Squirtle, Wortel, Blastoise. Wortel.
Hercules.
तो भाइयों, डच आदमी जो फ्रांस में रहता है और खाना बनाता है यार, देसी एकदम.
Kana! Garam garam!
Qu'est-ce que vous avez fait?
Aujourd'hui, nous avons cuisiné des bons chapatis avec du paneer kadai.
De bons chapati comme ça. De paneer kadai comme ça. Ouais.
Les veg bengali. Le riz épicé. Le riz complet. Un peu de turmeric. Et ensuite, le dal makhani.
Bien wedge.
Avec un peu de chutney à la noix de coco et un bon raita.
Comme il le faut.
C'est bon.
Ik dacht, we moeten je fotograaf.
We served about 40 people the Indian food that we cooked, and after a long day of travel and already farming in the farm, I went to bed. Thank you so much for tuning into this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care of yourselves and keep learning.